Today I'm going to show you how to permanently fix a drifting Joy-Con. That's right folks, we're talking about a permanent fix. All thanks to Gulikit's new replacement joysticks. No more makeshift solutions that only delay the inevitable return to a drifting Joy-Con. Now for those of you who are new to the Nintendo Suathon of the past few years, here's the deal. Nintendo created the most popular handheld gaming system in modern times, selling over 120 million units, each unit shipping with mini controllers called Joy-Cons. But a statistically significant number of these controllers developed stick drift, and Nintendo has been fighting lawsuits ever since. Things got so bad at some point, Nintendo must have realized it would have been cheaper to repair the Joy-Cons for free, even if they're out of warranty, than to pay the lawyers. And that's exactly what they decided to do. And I mean, who can blame them, right? So how does this repair make your Joy-Cons drift-proof? Comparing the insides of Gulikit sticks with Nintendo's provides the answer. The point of failure? These resistor films on the X and Y axes which wear down have been replaced with magnets and Hall effect sensors. As you can see, there's no contact between the sensor and the magnet, so there's no wear and tear. That's right folks, it's like magic. Are you ready to say goodbye to drift? Let's do it. I'm working on the left Joy-Con. If you want detailed instructions, check out our Joy-Con repair guides on iFixit.com. For this repair, you'll need a driver with tri-point Y00 and Phillips 00 bits, a spudger, a tweezer, some opening picks, and somewhere to sort your screws. I'm using our awesome FixMat to stay organized. First, remove the 4 tri-point screws on the outer casing, gently separate the plastic at the seam with a pick, and carefully fold the bottom half back with the flex cables attached. Disconnect the battery cable and pry away the battery. Remove the 3 Phillips screws and fold back the plastic bracket. Disconnect that ribbon cable and remove the bracket. Remove these 2 flex cables followed by the 2 Phillips screws holding the stick in place. Now drop the Gulikit replacement stick in and reassemble the controller by following the steps in reverse. Reconnect those flex cables, redo those 3 Phillips screws on the battery casing, and attach the battery to the board. Replace the outer shell and that's it. Now, even though you've gotten rid of drift for good, you'll want to calibrate the new sticks in the settings menu on your Switch. So there you have it, a permanent fix for Joy-Con drift. It only took 6 years with no help from Nintendo. Nice work, Guli. Now, grab your Joy-Cons and let's get back to gaming.